Hello everyone. I want to thank the SOFTHION brand for providing me with this well-made and super comfy armchair in return for my impressions. The chair comes in 8 beautiful colors, and you can see that I have the orange chair that I thought would add a nice pop of color in my living room, since I have very neutral colored loveseat recliners. I was very pleasantly surprised that this swivel chair comes fully assembled. It was easy peasy for me to unbox it and set it up in my living room. It literally took me just a few minutes. The fastest furniture setup I've ever experienced. I love the tight weave and the color tones in the fabric, and the cushion provides just the right amount of support and comfort. This chair will swivel a full 360 degrees, so it's great for socializing, so you can adjust your position to better face the individuals you're speaking with. It would also be great as an accent chair in a baby's nursery, so you can gently shift back and forth to soothe your little one. It would also make great guest chairs for an office because it looks both sleek and inviting. This chair looks perfect from every angle, which is important since the back and side of the chair is very visible when guests enter from my front door. Now I'm upstairs in my loft looking down into the living room. I'm really thrilled with this SOFTHION chair. It's so attractive and versatile. I think I will get one in another color for my upstairs guest room. I really like how the chair's metal base and swivel mechanism are barely visible, but let me just give the chair a tip so you can see the quality of the metal base and swivel mechanism. My engineer husband was very impressed with the quality of the chair's design and structure. My goal was to give this chair a go so that I could let all of you know if I think it's a smart buy. Yes, indeed. If you have the need for a beautiful and comfortable accent chair, you cannot go wrong with this SOFTHION chair. I'm 100% pleased with the delivery process and the product's quality, comfort, and look. Don't even hesitate, I know you will be pleased. Take care, and ta-ta for now.